Hello techies, this is TestOut Security Pro 2.2.7. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network in the United States of America. The company president has received several questionable emails that he is concerned may be malicious attacks on the company. He has asked you to determine whether the emails are hazardous to handle them accordingly. In this lab, your task is to read each email and determine whether it is legitimate, delete any emails that are attempt at social engineering, and keep emails that are safe. All right, so let's get into this. So we want to look at the emails we have. Let's see the kind of emails we have here. Microsoft Windows Update Center. So we're going to check this. Let's see, I'll reply as soon as possible. We check these two. We'll go ahead and delete. Let's see. Register, contact outside individual charge consultation. So we check this. We'll go ahead and delete this. So see, the credit union customer, you haven't confirmed. We check this, we'll go ahead and delete. Hey, the boss just informed me that you need to update some of the materials on our website. Okay. Dear friend, wow, you've got to see this. You'll be glad you did. Some cases. Let's go ahead and delete. Let's see. Go ahead and delete this. Select this. Go ahead and delete this. So we check this. Go ahead and delete this. Let's check our answers and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can reach me through my email. Also consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.